Hi, Hen. Come on. Ready to play ball with? Hen, you ready? Ready to play ball? Nice out. It's more than 55, oh. Hey, hey leaf eater. Hey, hey leaf eater. Sissy Lil. Hey, hey girlfriend. How are you, sweet? How are you, sweet girl? There's my girl. There she is. This whole eye goop. Yeah, I'll have to get that off of there. No eye goop. You ready to play ball, Hen? Ready? Wayne, you ready? Let's see who's gonna win. Okay. Get Hen. Good boy. Good boy, Hen. Come on. Good job. Good job. Now, if we can get it from that winning penny, the old fashionista. An old fashionista. Oh. Hey, Lil. Good job, Win. Good job. Oh, I about had it. Oh, just about had it. Good job, Hen. Good job. Blowing them leaves around. So fasty. You're so past, Hen. So pasty. So pasty. I bet you there, Big Mama. I bet you. Oh, that hat. Oh. Kind of going fun, is she? She's bit me a time or two. She's pretty quick. Hey, big boy. How are you? How are you, big boy? Here comes Hen. There's the ball player. There's the old ball player. Sissy Lil way back there. Now she's got to do her business. Get it, Hen. Get it. Good job. Good job, Hen. Did you find it? Now it's here somewhere. Keep looking. You see it? Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. Is it here? Hen. There. Good job. Right there in front of you. Right there in front of you. You're almost there. Hen. There you go. Good job. Hard to track that thing.